Want to change the font style on your iPhone? Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, go to General and tap Fonts. Here, you'll see a list of all the fonts installed and those that are not yet installed on your device. Since iPhone doesn't allow changing the full system font yet, there's a small workaround using accessibility features. Go back to Settings, then tap Accessibility. Scroll down to the Keyboards section and tap Typing. Now, find Hover Typing and turn it on. After that, you'll see an option for fonts. Tap on it and choose any font from the list. Once done, open any messaging app like iMessage. Start typing, and you'll see your selected font appear as a hover text while typing. And that's it. You've customized your iPhone's font look using the available features. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips.